Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Doot doot doot. Oh, let me try again. Bling bling.
Bling line, alas.
Hi, what network are you guys on? I just tried to call. Oh no, sorry, I had to buy airtime. Hi, looking to speak to you, Talita.
Speaking as usual.
Hi, Talita. Oh,
Yes.
sorry, I forget that your employee number is 001 because you're the only employee of this company.
That's correct. Working on it, sir.
Listen, look, I mean, how are you doing?
Fine, so is there any way I can help you today?
I don't know. Can you help me?
Oh. What seems to be the problem?
I mean, doctor, I'm in trouble.
Oh, goodness gracious me.
Because every time a certain man is standing next to me,
Let me guess.
yeah, a flash comes through my face. And my bus begins to race.
Wait, let me guess. It goes boo booty boo booty boo.
Ay, booty boo, booty boo, booty boo, boo, boo. Ay, boo. Ash! Almost. I almost didn't get you there, mate. Well done, Doc.
Thanks. Nobody knew what we were talking about last time.
When you said bloody wind.
Yes.
Ah, new week. New week. Yeah, missed. Bloody wind. Wait, on which episode was that?
Oh,
Bling
the
line.
episode that came out on Tuesday. Okay, so it hasn't come out everywhere yet. Okay, still got a chance. Sorry. Welcome to the Bling Line.
Yep.
If you're the first time here, this show is for you, by you. You are the co-executive producer because the content is made by you.
Absolutely.
We read your messages and your comments and we comment on them.
100%. This show is also my personal favorite show. I made this confession on episode 88
Yeah.
to say by favorite man ndiyayithanda. And andiyanda uma ndithanda yona or ndithanda nina, but ikhona ilapha. Yayiva. But yeah, speaking about love, let's get straight into it. You're like, these two things are completely not related.
Exactly.
Speaking about hungry, do we last man?
I show me. Nothing to do with the other.
But yeah, anyways, yeah, welcome to it, guys. Let's get into the first comment. Vimbani. Uti, my sister used to work at a call center. Okay.
We were talking about spam calls.
100% and
Yes.
how you are so rude to people.
And how you waste their time. Keep them on the phone and never buy a product.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Phone zawuthini friend mene warranty ezingaphi zemoto. Uncevimbani uthi my sister used to work at a call center. You umntasekhaya would come back in stress every day kuphoxwa ngabantu. Also because her salary depended on her making sales.
It's the worst kind of job.
Ndafunda ngoko ukuba nyamezela abantu abathengisayo. Even if I won't buy, I listen and I decline politely.
Yeah, imagine like uphoxa all day, every day.
Nangam.
That's got to affect you somehow.
Yeah, ndivele ngqombe sometimes ba. Hey, but yeah, you know what? At the end of the day, now I don't want to be caught up in the thing of it's always easy to think ukuthi enye into ilula kunenye. Do you know what I mean? But now, for example,
Yeah.
ne, fumani choice when. Kwakhiwa indlela apha eGauteng. Wena funeke wembe ngepeki all day kanye wenza direct sales calls, cold calling.
I ndizokwemba ngepeki, bruh.
What?
Yeah. It's better for my mental health.
That physical labor in the sun all day.
It's better for my mental health than uphoxa uthukwa ngabantu engingabaziyo every day. That's crazy talk. Would you rather do that?
When I think
Mhlawumbe wenza isele eyi-1 evekini. Oko
kunokwemba,
uyucwa.
iputi kunokwemba.
I'll get used to it. Your body gets used to it. It's gonna suck at the beginning.
What's more so? Okay. So in essence, what you're saying to me is that you would rather take physical pain over mental pain.
Yes.
What?
Yeah. 100%. No doubt about it.
Really?
Yeah. Mental pain is anguish, bruh.
Mental pain is what is emotional pain.
Mm.
You would rather take physical pain.
Yes. Because I'm physical pain.
The mental pain was...
Emotional pain is crazy. Awukwazi ulala ebusuku ucingana naba bantu. Now you've got anxiety when you have to wake up in the morning to go to work on the way there. Now, funeka ufone and you ucinga, oh Nkosi yami, do I really have to be? There's just, it's a lot. That's it. That's it. End of story. Really?
Because the emotional pain, you can find ways of making it better. You can't make
by what? Drinking.
No, coping mechanism. There's people who get used to it and you find ways of handling it. And the answer, I guess, is you stop personalizing it. Ayo insurance yakho kwenu leyo. Utext hayo.
And nakhona time frame yoba izothi stop nini.
Because what needs to stop is the attitude that you have towards it. That's what needs to stop. That's what's going to make the emotional pain go away. But you know what? At the end of the day,
whatever. These people don't know me. I don't know them. I took him na prison. I understand. But him phone enganikanga number yam, so I'd also be upset.
Crazy case. Look, but to your point, girls, to be honest, I don't think being polite is the worst thing on earth that you can do for yourself.
I don't think there's a bad thing to do in this situation. No.
Yeah. So let's just be polite, guys. That's all I'm saying. It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna be difficult. But you know what? It's fine, man. All good and well, whatever, be polite. But when I say no thank you, please take that.
I don't know if it's gonna come up here, but there was someone who said,
yes, it is.
Okay, okay. Now you guys are gonna have to wait. Okay, cool. Fantastic.
Lisa Kanya Dom says, I'm a late comer, and Sana, I'm so unbothered by it. I don't even feel a thing.
Whoa!
When I read this, I was like, so to hell with the people who've been waiting for you, to hell with their time and their patience and their into zabo bona bebefuna ukuzenza.
Amaxesha abo that they've given up.
Do you know what I'm saying? What about unbothered?
What about isidima sakho?
Unbothered oloku isidima sakhe.
Unbothered bubu late comer. Iyafika la nto yesidima sakho kuba wena xa kuthethwa ngawe ukuthi whoa lowo.
And you be usithi wena ewe and ndilate cho mina nini nazinto zenu.
Usazawuphosa kodwa Lisa mtshana I feel like usazawuphosa zizinto ezibalulekileyo.
Oh guys. Ingaphela sana kum.
But now what I'm most interested in is how do you respond then to people being late?
Oh, she probably doesn't care.
To your things. Une birthday party, unendo.
It doesn't matter because she's going to be late too. That's what she said. I'm a late comer. Ufika later birthday yakhe.
Okay, it's fine. So birthday yakho ngo-12 when ufike ngo-2 thina sifike ngo-4.
Nisayapi.
Oh, uzawutuka thina masinangqondo thina. Basifikelani
I don't know. I had a very emotional reaction to this comment.
I can see. Had a cadenza.
I did. And that's because it just upsets me when people are late because I just think about so my value in your life is like non-existent.
Sure.
And then why am I still hanging out with you then?
I'm interested in ntoni kwenza late mhlawumbi. Or maybe I shouldn't just ask those questions. Makhawuzame man Lisa, please chom. Yeah, that's the last one from me.
It's upsetting for abantu around you.
It's highly upsetting. Highly upsetting.
Dude, my whole mood is off. Ufika kwako, like you have to literally bring me back from the grave because Anseko.
And credibility yakho, dependability. It does a lot. It speaks volumes about you as a person that people then tend to assume. Cause I'm mnasekha oyini. Please man, siyakucela ne inkosi. Usiyo Zar. Uthi divele ndacinga this episode when I was trying to be polite kulo sisi spam caller. Oh yini. Man. Ndicela andifonela after 20 minutes kuba ndibusy ngoku. Waske wandishouta andibuza ukuba uzathi ufonela bani in 20 minutes time. And then waqhubeka nokundifundela iscript sakhe. Ndize ikhwitsha oko ngoku because what's that? What?
Ayikhwitsha chum.
Hayi, ndiyavumelana nawe ndavuna. No sikungayiphenduli. Hayi but bayacaphukisa nabanye abantu because abanye abantu will just be like no thanks. Do. Oh.
On to the next, buddy.
You know what I mean? So okay, so I no thanks. Xa kuva nje ba ngathi sokolisa. Ubuzima, where do you get my number? Whoa, awuzotenga
wena. Wow, that's an obvious akazutenga lo. Where do you get my number?
Where do you people? Whoa. Not gonna buy. Oh no.
Wandishouta and
Skolo mantra.
Uzofonela bani in 20 minutes. Ubufonela bani ngoku. No, guys. Also, I can imagine. I mean, after having a hard day's work, and then umdati, call me after 2, and you've heard this at least 64 times today.
Because after 20 minutes, can't be the phone. So long banding as a pen long wench. No, you're making me a Popeye also. Right, I will shout because no. Actually, I'm changing my tune. Right, I'm not shouting because
we haven't
you weren't gonna answer in 20 minutes.
Why are you always lying?
But you didn't deserve a shouter. Oh, shouter. Oh,
no, shouter, joking for phone in Yako. Oh, imagine.
That's me.
Oh, who are you? Lizzie 08. Also had my comment read on the bling line. I'm so happy. It felt so good. Send us a comment. I'm gonna spam the comment section so hard. Bling line, bro. That sounds like a threat. That sounds like a threat, not even a promise. Like you're gonna ask yourselves.
Bling line,
Lizzie, we're glad we could make you happy, but don't make us scared in return.
Don't take our kindness for weakness.
Witness.
Block.
Can I get a witness?
In here.
Thanks for that, Lizzie. We're glad we could make you
Shout out. We love that. To me, Tajo, Uti, watching you guys is a great bonding session for me and my little sibling, brother or sister, I guess. Little one, or child, or family,
or they,
or parent.
My little they.
Me and my little
something.
Yes. And this is the only thing I've plugged. Oh, little sister. Yes.
It could be a daughter, but okay.
Oh. No, I think it's a sister. Okay. And I said that based on the last line. Watching you guys, such a great bonding session for me and my little sister. And this is the only thing I've plugged that she didn't question my existence. I even responded to this comment and I was just like, oh my word, shout out to you for being a good big sister. And also, I definitely get Lando, ka little sister, questioning your existence. Ubangati, chomika try Lando, akuchonge usipli ngoba inoba uyapambana. So that must be so cool. Yes, you have. Oh yeah, Bafa. Have you met me?
Is this your first day on earth?
Kini and Nyan, you literally question your existence. But ibangati wena ingondo yako isemtunzi yini.
So Yoli was telling me yesterday that she went to a concert with her little sister, and her little sister's in varsity first year or second year. And baye kwi-concert beyobona Calvin Momo. But then one of the opening acts was Uzwala 7. And her little sister was like, who's
And
that?
then Nina,
Who is that?
no,
No, but she was just like, before. Banlo. And Yoli was just like, you don't know Uzwala 7?
And the little sister was like, you do?
You do? And then bafika kwacula ingoma. And then obviously Youth Endala was like, yay! And her sister was like, why are you guys singing these words? Like, is this what you guys did by choice in your youth?
Love uyandikhafulela. Ah, sonqeni khafulelwa ngulove.
And then we kind of went through some lyrics and we were like, oh yeah, we did that to ourselves, bro, because what were we saying?
Like yintoni umdlwehelele yomdlwembe.
Lova Tati cover. Singenaphi thina kwinto ze-crime, why?
Who at the door? It will be KB. Ha, wonke abolova fasiduku sesiyavela. We get a scandalous in 3-dimensional. Zola, Amo, and me, we get a woof woof. Sit, ubu, sit, we dangerous. And bonge abo honey wanna hang with us.
What is it, darling?
Ubu, bubu.
Isn't it boo-boo? Sit, boo-boo, sit.
Ubanu bubu.
The dog for the...
I can't, yes.
Dangerous.
I walk njengolova.
Talk njengolova.
Dress njengolova.
And then what's the last one?
Diploma nabolova.
If you didn't know.
Oh man, I was actually, that's so funny because Dienda cinga ingoma ye group abathi iCream. Yeah, Cream. This time fly high, high, how high,
sky high. That's what we were listening to in our youth. It's time fly high, man.
Right? Yeah, and I was going through the lyrics and I was just like, I wish incwadi zesikolo because till today I still know those ladies begala umfana wabantwana sekala vumani bo siyavuma ngoba vele niyasibona sengikhona yabona la khali scoop Uthina le khali scoop dibambeni bambeni vele asibambeki yeah hayi awukho lo mculo wangoku yo usimamela amagubu ngoku
Yeah, well, we need lyrics.
That was when there was real music.
Yeah, that was. I mean, the lyrics were a little shady, but like, whatever.
Entertaining.
We went through it.
For sure.
Pelly May. I had a friend that was always late. We'd go out for a meal and she'd get there 30 minutes after I got there. Even on days I delayed to account for her lateness.
I had.
She was still late.
Oh, that's the worst.
I ended up ordering her food and leaving it on the table so she would get, so it would get cold as a way to punish her.
Didn't work.
No, didn't work. Babes was untouched. She thought it was funny. You think this is funny? One of the biggest fights and friendship breakups was over her lateness.
Man.
Oh, fair enough. This friendship, it's not giving friendship. It gave disrespect and I couldn't take it. I'm normally a little early or exactly on time. Fair enough, bro.
Yeah.
Find it funny. What? You hate me.
When you're having the worst time of your life.
Oh, you hate me. You don't like me. It doesn't inspire that you like me.
Yeah. No, it definitely is not giving that.
No.
And yeah, I think it's giving disrespect. It's giving so many things, man. Whoa. Oh man. Oh man. I just always find it so sad, man, in the friendship breakups, man, guys. Especially on things that can be changed, you know what I mean?
Yes, like arriving on time.
But shout out to and I hope nangoga zawivuza. I hope nangoga wawivuza about zangivuza at the point whereby so umchitela ngepasta. But you guys were able to talk about. I don't know, man. Can you, when you talk about these things, don't you feel like sometimes they get resolved? Like, man, it's hard to talk about your feelings. No, the thing is, ne, like, I feel disrespected. And then your boy is just like, nigga.
Come on, dog. When did I disrespect you?
Yeah, but this makes me feel disrespected. The feelings. This is another thing.
This is the thing. A lot of the time when you try and dissolve an issue, solve an issue, where you're hurt, the other person will be defensive. First point of order.
So funeka ungayithethi uhate, funeka uyithethe nje ukham. Like how I address issues on this podcast. As a topic. Yeah. Comment is about offended. Abantu abathe xa besithi sube kutheni. Yeah, and I guess it's also a much more difficult job than we think to be able to bring up something without the emotional charge that comes with it.
Exactly, because you kind of also convince yourself that, maybe I was just being emotional. Maybe I'm making a big deal out of nothing. So it becomes hard to bring it up while emotional. Because also you could just doing it right.
Because
I don't know, man. The late thing for me, it's literally
deal breaker.
Yeah, that's a deal breaker.
It's not a red flag, it's a deal breaker.
Yeah. It's an absolute deal.
How many times can I be late? But also you have to talk in all of that. Delay be late 30 minutes.
I was late 30 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
So
no, but remember it doesn't matter to me.
I really
how late 30 minutes, nah? Yeah, with grace, can't feel a shit. Okay,
you always want my clothes.
30 minutes late,
Show me, I'm never 30 minutes late. But okay. Let's start there. But fine. Do you choba? But I really don't. Look, show me. Traffic. Robots. Okay, show me, but you could have just told me. Because now you didn't say anything. Because I don't know how long I'm waiting for.
Oh, so I'm going to check Sheila, man. Friendship.
Yo, it makes me too emotional. That's what I told her.
Emotional goes toba. No. I'm going to check Sheila. Oh, unyansile chomi.
No, unyansanga ayaxoka. Chomi, but it's your responsibility to let me know that you're running late. It's not my responsibility to check Isha when I got here on time, on a time that we agreed on.
But I didn't do it on purpose. There was an accident. The road was...
I get that, so you couldn't call me.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Have you ever fixed an issue of lateness with a friend? Or does it all end in exactly? Oh, man. No, have you had a friendship breakup due to lateness?
No, my friends know how to treat me now.
Okay, fantastic.
And all I ask is for communication. Just tell me. In 15 minutes, in 20 minutes. Yes.
Send a screenshot, say ETA.
That's it, bro. That's all I ask for.
Saying a live location.
Whatever, but I'm just like, tell me.
Yeah. The live location.
Hey, where you and send out. When you send me a live location, I'm like, oh, he's late, isn't he?
Because I put Popeye. This is my whole thing.
And yes, there's a lot of accountability, live location as well. Because you're not leaving your house. You are on your way already.
Yes.
If you are leaving your house, you're dying by yourself.
Maito, what's happening? Uti Umaito, hello. What's up, everybody? Better late than never. The opening line from Tamzupela. Daske da shine unxiba ezami boots ke ngoku. West nazo nengcondo ke mnake. Great show, thank you. Hayibo Phetho. Indomo. So uthen ushaya. Ibangathi kufakwe imophe ebhakethini Phetho.
Yes. Okay, so you couldn't wait to But then ingqondo ziyagqunywa zi-boots, ain't it? Oh, but then the boots don't fill up.
Thena unazo i-boots. Guys, ayikho right le nto yami yogeza, but nxiba i-boots zakho, my dog.
Nengqondo zakho sezikabani sezakho fonini.
Ne-boots ngezakho.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on.
Come on, my toe. We taught you better than this.
Come on, my G. Uxolo, man. Jonga makhasisendele maki-DMs. Picture yakho nxiba i-boots. Fussy boots, boots.
Pitili. Oh, I love Talita's explanation of what sex is.
Yeah, a lot of people loved it. A lot of people are like, it's aura, it's confidence, it's everything except
your clothes.
It's everything opposite of what I was saying.
Okwam, I love covering up and I feel so much sexy when I do. I feel key.
Antifa.
Yo, I hate being late. I feel so embarrassed when I am. Ngathi ndingene endaweni ndihamba ngazi.
Yo, yini na. Akho sexy ke ngoku at all.
At all. The opposite of sexy. I always try my best, shame. I forever ask ubawo andincede apha ekuseni because wow. Ama-boyfriend enu ngobawo.
Hey, hamba bawo. Qalile into.
When I'm early, even if it's 2 minutes, diba so proud of myself. Dibe happy ngathi I've got my life in order.
The little things, girl.
Hence, ndizama by all means to be early so that I can have that feeling often. Oh, nice. That's so sweet.
That's such a little, like a love ritual that you have with yourself.
Yeah.
That's got nothing to do with anyone.
Yeah, exactly.
And it improves your mood.
Yes.
Oh, I love that.
Ungabubuza uba
Sayithandi. Ndithanda kwalento uba ku-consult noba bakhancede Brian sokolisa le way and andifuni nisokole. Oh! Pitili. Ay, sana lam.
You've done well, girl.
Accountable girl.
Well done.
No, absolutely. Love that for you so much. And those around you. This is the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly. Because it doesn't just affect you. It keeps a healthy level of respect amongst the people that you interact with.
Yeah. No, for sure. Usiya Matomela, uti. Question. Who do you think is funnier? Come on, guys, man.
I know who's funnier. Everyone does.
Okay. Let's say their name in 3, 2, 1. Zuko. Why is it Zuko? I hate that part of that answer.
You voted for yourself.
Zuko now.
Zuko.
My guess is you're both going to say the other one is funnier. I've noticed that Ingadi, you guys take turns on who's the comedian for each episode. Talita didn't cry laugh this episode because she focus. Tamzupela yena oko ekikiteka. Ay kikiteke uzete kubethwa baphi. Talita is so effortlessly hilarious, but Tamzupela's jokes zimqeda Tina ke siphela week in week out kumnandi apha top. I love that, Sia. Yeah, I think Talita's plenty funny as well. Do you think you're funny?
Yes. I've lived with myself long enough.
Really?
Yes.
I still get surprised when people like laugh at me, and I become very proud. I'm so proud of myself.
You don't think you're funny?
It's okay.
When you say stuff and people laugh all the time, what do you think is happening?
I'm like, yeah, not driven but proud, but yo, no, I am. Yeah, well done. Like literally pat on my back.
You're hilarious. And I think part of what makes you funny is like how honest you are. Literally, like your thoughts.
What you were going to say, smart.
Just come out. No, you have to be smart to be funny.
There we go. Yes.
That goes without saying. But on a filter, and that's hilarious.
Sure.
Where you say things where people were like, I would never say that to anyone.
Really?
Yes.
I'm surprised. Then I guess I should be getting into more trouble.
With who?
With people. And the unfiltered thoughts.
No, but it's relatable. It's not like it's relatable because we all have unfiltered thoughts that we don't say. So when you say it, it's like, yep.
Intrusive thoughts.
Yes. Exactly. And yes, and that's a funny thing for any human where you're just like,
Wow.
I can see your intrusive thoughts have won. Like, that's crazy. How do you live the rest of your life like this?
How do you have a job?
Exactly.
Oh, fair. I like that. I like this though, like this way. But nika. Yeah. That's fantastic. I love that kind of energy.
Whose turn is it? Yours.
You I did the last one.
Uthi ulwa. I started watching you guys late last year after seeing shots on TikTok. That hooked and went and watched every single video. Today, watching this, I could not help but think back to when Uzuko just wanted mics with arms. And boy, did his wish come true.
You know, Talita.
And
man.
seeing Talita's many layers. I'm sorry, I'm so off topic, but it's great seeing the growth. Thank you for keeping us honest and laughing. I always laugh like Talita needing a seat.
Yeah, and I always think of that moment every time you laugh hard and then we
I think of it too. You guys created a new narrative for Black families, which you knew greater success. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a big thing.
Thank you, Loa. Saxabana ke background ndadlala. Asixabanga cool. But yeah, I love that comment. I'm also just like, imagine, but I think I've mentioned this before. Imagine watching people 3 years, boom, 3 years. Because we've been on for 3 years.
That's wild. You're also just bound to see them change.
Clean.
Yeah.
Especially because if uzayibukela like
in a compressed,
back to back. Yes, correct.
In a compressed space, yeah.
Oh, I love that so much, man.
Thank you, Lwa. And Ngosi for watching all of us.
Yeah, well. and as we like to say, I mean, you guys are completely at the center of that.
Yeah.
I think if the community was any different, we'd be different. We might possibly not even be doing this anymore.
Yeah, sure.
So I think that has been an absolute integral part of this whole experience and this whole thing. I mean, obviously not taking away anything from us, but also giving props where they absolutely are due.
Yes, because you guys have created a safe space for us to be ourselves.
Yes, correct,
which
100%.
Is amazing.
Yeah. Ubuli uti, for the spam calls, ask your service provider to activate call control. Anyone that calls you will have to punch a number to go through, and that will filter your calls.
What about Raban Mam?
Oh, for you, bazophumela abazali bethu manje. So lo muntu ufuna kumnike inamba. Oof. It might be
but
like
all the calls have to punch in a number. I don't get that many calls. Yeah, fine, I'm on
it. Fair. I just wonder how that works though.
Yeah, because aren't the people at the call center going to punch the number in?
Because, but also maybe as robots, then the robots won't punch the number in.
Oh,
so the
true.
robots you can completely think.
Okay.
And it might be something like the last 2 digits of your phone number.
Which they have.
Yeah, but I'm just thinking from the other side, I'd be so irritated if
I had to do that.
I have to punch a number.
If Fana normed where you don't have to do anything, Fana normed don't call a tune. Oh.
Yo.
You don't have to do anything. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Because I'm like, who are you?
Talk. Now I'm forced in Mamelo Lundi. Fine phone you, Mamelo Lundi.
Oh, Shishizayo also. I got clear.
What's all this khasa? You call a tune. I was just making volume right. That's so strange. Service providers do better, man.
Whose idea was that?
And bayenzile imali ngalando because ngiyaqonda abantu abaninzi ba subscribe-elwe ngabantwana babo.
Yes.
Or ngabazukulwana.
And now uyazi when une call tune until someone told
Dog,
you.
Dad omdala na 79 khala umdlwembe xa kufonelwa wena. Oh wow. Then you open those boy bayi. Kutheni yabani ngakhe niqeshwe.
Because
ezinye izinto yazi azina witchcraft.
What's the witchcraft? Mama can yes next akakwenzanga nix.
Oh, we need a job.
And the HR person was like, there's no way this person is serious.
Dog. And also we need the mali because but the 500 day when.
Exactly. Taunel Poko says, not our genes catching strays. We're dwelling at June.
In the time we're doing too much.
Oh, my mom complains about them, Jalo. And you understand, man. Also, sibling team up for me. My sisters and I are so inseparable. We get called Oma Three Ninjas, Askatias, and we ensure we win every time. 42? Oh, damn. Anyway, I'm 20.
Stop it.
You could literally be my child. Meaning I've been figuring things out for 2 years. And,
oh, wow.
And you, what? A lot of years. I choose parents and ifuni kwale will.
Or to make decisions for you.
Yeah.
To figure things out.
Yeah. My name is pronounced.
That's so funny because of how you read it in the beginning. Oh, I love it for you, TS, for life.
Ta, as in take.
Yeah.
O for oros. Ne.
Oh, taone.
Yes.
Okay.
As in wabona ne.
Yeah.
Your examples were so cute. Say it after me.
Taone.
Why was writing that so hard?
Then you can
You're
definitely
so
appreciate why saying it can be hard as well.
Yes. That's so cute. Thanks for letting us know. Abanye abantu abasixeleli ngamagama abo. You're literally the first person to tell us
So, yeah.
Good one, Taone.
Thanks for taking that one, bro. Senzo kuhle Ngcobo uthi, here is the link to stop spam calls. Okay, there's the link.
National
It usually takes
opt-out.
about 6 weeks for the calls to stop, but eventually they stop. Did it last year and no spam.
Spam calls.
This is reminding me of a time in Sengonzwe.
What one?
We were talking about a prophetess of our church, and I had to read something. And the thing said she had a vision. Timna. She had a vision. And then I couldn't stop laughing at this. I was like 8. When I was awkward. What's so funny? And I'm just like, dog, I just said virgin. Are you joking? Get mistaken. Vision. Oh no.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh man, I will never forget that day. Yeah, lonkonza ndiyangokuteni noma ikhona into eyayifani kulonkonza. Khona nenye ibra yayifunda yona papa komkonza. That's how sikhile kwincwadi kaRothmans. I will put Kanjani, bro. Kanjani. And ke abantu benza lando abaziva. So umntu uyaqhubeka ke ngoku. And then
And we're like,
umntu ebandleni is like,
oh, excuse me, what's on your mind today?
tall, okay. So that was my experience. But I like that. Maybe I want to try it. But then go maybe
Why does it take 6 weeks?
singahambe sign up nathi.
Sign up entwenini?
Well, you know, kaloku, I don't know. My understanding is that ziyathengiswa idatha.
No, they
Amagama
do.
ethu ayathengiswa.
Yes.
So uzawungena wena
Kuloo ndawo usayina up kuyo.
in.
Ufake inumber
We need
yakho.
your number to
Yeah,
call you for your
yeah,
parcel.
yeah.
Uyifake, ushi in,
Ayithengise.
ayithengisele utemu. Njalo njalo. And that's how your number gets passed around. So yeah, I'm happy with that as a solution. Maybe I'll want to try it. And then we'll see how far we get with that.
They
Yeah,
said
well,
it again.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you for that.
Yeah, thanks for that. It's enough now. Udala slanduku. I've had enough.
Yeah, bro. And Nyan, we seriously can't be the only people that have this problem. And clearly we're
No,
not.
we don't. No,
Yeah.
we're not.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys, for everybody who contributed in today's episode. We appreciate it as per usual. Ningadinwa nangomso. So dibana
nangomso.
nangamso.
Hmm?
Which one is the right one?
Enkosini kakhulu guys. Siyabulela, and then please feel free to leave a comment. Nangomso okanye ngunangamso.
I always say nangomso. Like, and tomorrow.
Nangomso. Yeah, and tomorrow fair. Sure. So thank you so much for joining us. You guys have a beautiful rest of the week, and we'll see each other on the next episode.
Cheers, bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.